The truth is, you're still waiting because you haven't taken action. To see your potential, you need to take the first step. The only reason you feel like a nobody right now is because you haven't moved yet. Problem number 1. Sometimes you're just addicted to feeling busy. Watching videos and making plans won't change anything if you don't act on them. You need to learn how to use your time wisely and make real progress. Problem number 2. You're waiting for the perfect moment to start. Here's the truth. That moment never comes. Starting now, even when you don't feel ready, is the best way to break through your fears and take the first step toward real change. Problem number 3. You're seeking validation from people who don't care about you. If you want to succeed, stop letting others' opinions hold you back. Your dreams and goals are more important than anyone else's approval. Take control of your path and keep moving forward. Solution. Here's what you need to do. Take one small action. Start today, no matter how small it seems. Once you begin, you'll feel more confident and your momentum will build. Leave your fears behind and step into the life you want. Taking that first step will make you stronger. Move forward without fear. Start now, and you'll gain the power to change your life.